Hello friends, today I have something a little bit different and I'm going to try to do some plumbing. I bought some stuff for my washrooms and for my sinks. Whoops. But I'm going to try to install this. Never done this before. Hopefully it's not going to be hard. So I got this piece, I guess it's a pump or something, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have to install it and see if it's not gonna give me grief. I guess it's a float or something like that. So this will go, I guess there's a thread and this is your float, and you have a little hose here that you connect, I think right here or right there. I'm not sure, I never done it, so it's something new for me. Yeah, and then you have this handle. I might use it or I might gonna keep the original one. We'll see how hard it is. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. And this is looks like a flopper. Yeah, so I got 3 of these sets and I'm gonna go right now and try to install it. So I'll keep you updated and see how tough it is to do that. It looks easy though, but you never know. I'll keep you updated. Alright, let's see if I can do that. Yeah, so this hose is going all the way from here to here, and I will keep this tube. I don't know if I need to maybe empty all the water out. Maybe let's do it. I'll just gonna close the valve here, empty all the water. And maybe now I should do the repairs. I think it's safer this way. Maybe I should wear gloves. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, it doesn't look very hard to do. This comes out. Like I said, I never done it, so don't judge me. Okay, I think this is the easy part. The flopper will go on top. I'll start with the easy. Okay, so this goes, there's like 2 little fingers here. I guess you have to put them on, and then this should close. Oh no, it's a different style flopper. Okay, that's fine. This flopper is too big, looks like. So I don't think I can use this one. Yeah, it's dirty. But I want to change this. If I can. Let's see. Thread is going this way. Oh, I see. It's underneath. Ha ha ha. Well, I guess it's not that easy like I thought, but Let me take all this water out, I'll come back. Okay, so there is a little thread in here. What you have to do, you just you unplug it on this side like this. Make sure you close the water here, and then this has to come out somehow. There's a thread in there. Yeah, so this has to come out, and now there's a thread. So if this goes this way, so come out, it's gonna go this way. Okay, let's see if I can take it out. Wow, not that easy. Okay, so this comes out. It's almost out. There's another, oh, it's the same piece underneath. Here you go. Now it's out. Okay. So I got it out, and looks like this hose is a little bit shorter, so I might have to cut it, but we'll see, maybe not. Now it should be easy. Okay, this goes like that, and yeah, I think I have to make it shorter. Let me just push this all the way in like this. I'm just gonna, yeah, you see it's a little messy, so whatever, it is what it is. So I want to just kind of make it same length. So let's get this one up till here. Let me just make a mark. I'm gonna come back. I'm back now. So this, I believe it's preset and you don't need to touch it. We'll see. You just have to kind of regulate this, the level. So this goes here and this hose goes in. This is garbage. Now, yeah, that looks okay, I guess. Now let's put those two threads. It didn't come with this one, but okay, we'll see. So this goes first, kind of like I don't know what it is, washer, plastic washer, and this goes after. So I don't know if you can see, but I'm trying to make it tight so it would not leak. I think it should be okay. I mean, I don't know, we'll have to see. This flapper is smaller, so I'm just gonna keep it as is. I don't think anything can be wrong with this flapper, so I'm just gonna put this back. And my main thing is I don't want this to have any leaks, so I'm gonna try to tighten it a little bit more. See if I can do that with this key. I don't want to over tight it or break it, so like I said, it's the first time I'm doing this, so I don't want to over tight it. Okay, Let's see if it's gonna work with no leaks. Just gonna connecting the water here like this. Turn the water on. Stop. Just want to see any leaks. Hopefully there's none. No, it looks good. No leaks. No leaks yet. Okay, so the water is going up. That's your float, so I might have to level it. Okay, so it works, but I can, I guess, adjust the level. This goes up. Let's see what's going on if I bring it down. There's no leaks here, so that's good. Okay, I see. So what's happening if I bring it up? Let's see if I bring it all the way up, just for fun. Oh, okay, yeah, so we're gonna bring it all the way up. Yeah, so that's how you do it, and that's all installed. Looks like it's working. Let's see. Okay, so this is how you install this toilet float, I'm not sure how you call it, but I'll put this in the description below, and also where you can order that. This flapper is too big, so I would not, like, I'm not gonna install it. So other than that, everything looks good. Yeah, it works fine. So thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care.